A young man finds a wallet. It is full of money. It is his last day at his job. What should he do? What would you do? This story has 8 words that native speakers use every day. Listen for them, and you will learn them too. Wallet. A small case for holding money and cards. I keep my credit card in my wallet. Honest. Telling the truth, not stealing or cheating. She is an honest person. She always tells the truth. Decide. To make a choice. I need to decide what to eat for dinner. Return. To give something back. You must return your library books on time. Empty. Having nothing inside. The coffee cup is empty. Full. Having no empty space. My bag is full of books. Offer. To ask if someone wants something. He will offer me a piece of cake. Reward. Something good you get for doing something good. The family gave a reward for their lost dog. This is Leo. He is a waiter in a small cafe. He is quiet and shy. Today is his last day working at the cafe. Soon, he will need to find a new job. It is late in the afternoon. The cafe is almost empty. Leo cleans the last table. Under the table, he sees something. It is a brown leather wallet. He picks up the wallet. He looks around, but the cafe is still empty. He opens it. The wallet is full of money. There is a lot of money inside. Leo thinks about his own wallet. His wallet is always empty. This money could help him a lot. But Leo is an honest person. He must decide what to do. He takes the wallet to his coworker, Maria. I found this, he says. Maria looks inside. Wow, that's a lot of money. You are very honest to show me. Leo looks inside the wallet again. He finds a small card with a name and an address. He knows what he has to do. He will return the wallet to its owner. After work, Leo leaves the cafe. He walks through the city. The streets are full of people. He follows the address on the card. It takes him to a quiet street he has never seen before. The address is for a small shop. It is a bookshop. The windows are full of books. Leo loves books. He feels a little nervous. He takes a deep breath and opens the door. Inside, an elderly man is sitting in a comfortable chair. He looks up and smiles. Leo walks to the man. "Excuse me," Leo says. "I think this is your wallet." The man, Mr. Harrison, checks his pockets. "Oh, I did not know it was gone. Thank you." Mr. Harrison opens the wallet. He sees that it is still full of money. He looks at Leo. You are a very honest young man, he says warmly. I want to give you a reward. Mr. Harrison takes some money from the wallet. He tries to give it to Leo. Leo shakes his head. No, thank you. I do not want a reward. I only wanted to return your wallet. Mr. Harrison is impressed. He puts the money away. He looks around his bookshop. He sees Leo looking at the books with a happy smile. He thinks for a moment. Then he makes a different kind of offer. Do you like books? He asks. Leo nods. Oh, yes, I love books very much. I need help in my shop, Mr. Harrison says. My real offer is a job. Do you want to work here with me? Leo cannot believe it. A job in a bookshop. This was his dream. His heart is full of joy. He didn't get a reward of money. He got something better. He had to decide to be honest, and it changed his life. Leo accepted the offer. His last day at the cafe was the first day of his new life. Wallet. A small case for holding money and cards. For example, he picks up the wallet. Honest. Telling the truth, not stealing or cheating. For example, Leo is an honest person. Decide. To make a choice. For example, he must decide what to do. Return. To give something back. For example, he will return the wallet to its owner. Empty. Having nothing inside. For example, the cafe is almost empty. Full. Having no empty space. For example, the wallet is full of money. Offer. To ask if someone wants something. For example, my real offer is a job. A reward. Something good you get for doing something good. For example, I want to give you a reward. Question 1. Why was Leo at the cafe? A. He was a customer. B. He was the manager. C. He was a waiter. D. He was visiting a friend. The answer is, he was a waiter. Leo was a waiter. It was his last day working at the cafe. Question 2. What did Leo find inside the wallet? A. Only credit cards. B. It was empty. C. A lot of money and an address. D. A photo. The answer is a lot of money and an address. The wallet was full of money, and Leo found a card with an address. Question 3. What was Leo's final reward? A. A lot of money. B. A new wallet. C. A free coffee. D. A new job. The answer is a new job. Mr. Harrison offered Leo a job in his bookshop. This was a better reward than money. Great job today! Leo chose to be honest, and something wonderful happened. Being honest is its own reward. Now it's your turn. What is something you have returned to someone? Tell us in the comments below.